أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back again today. Today I'm going to make panini. So it's going to be a chicken panini. So here I've got a chicken breast strips, and I've got the spices. I've got the panini rolls, olive oil, and some lemon juice. Okay, so what you need to do to marinate the chicken is add your spices and give it a good mix. Okay, so we added the olive oil and the lemon juice. We're going to mix it and marinate it for about 1 to 2 hours. And here the important bit we forgot is the cheese. So we got a grated cheese, or cheddar cheese. Okay, so first you cook your chicken. That's the chicken done. You see, come out really good. You see, the chicken has been cut into strips. You see. Okay, so I've got pepper, tomatoes, and red onions. So I'm just gonna cut a piece of the pepper. I'll do thin strips like so. The onion I'll do very thin. And the same with the tomatoes. As thin as you can cut. Okay, so to begin, first put your cheese on the panini, quite a lot of it, and then you put your chicken, spread it well. That one has escaped. There. And then what you do is you do your onions, your tomatoes, and your peppers. And now you do another layer of cheese, like so. So it's a lot of cheese, you need a lot of cheese on there. And then you put the other panini on, and then you put it onto the panini press. It's a bit tricky, it does slide, so you need to get the balance just right and hold it there. Slizzing away, nearly done. It doesn't take long time, it takes about 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. And there you go, the panini is done. Just to show you inside, I cut it in half. You see? Very hot. So this was my video for today, and I hope you enjoyed it. It was a simple video about how to make a panini, and it come out really good, and it's very tasty. So it's very simple, just cheese, tomatoes, chicken,